Open the fryer drain valve with your Rethink Resource oil box and strainer in place. Let the oil and debris flow into the strainer. Once all the oil is drained, use a large ladle or other tool to pour some of the oil back into the fryer to help the remaining debris flow into the strainer. Once the debris has cooled, you can now place it into your Rethink compost or organics bin. You can then fill your fryer with fresh oil. Be certain to save the oil jugs or boxes to put your used oil in. Once the oil has cooled, you can lift the Rethink oil box into the upright position. Be careful to lift slowly so the oil doesn't spill out. Carefully lift the Rethink oil box by bending at the knees or ask for help if required, to place on top of the empty oil jug box. Ensure the spout is placed at the center of the jug opening. Open the valve to drain the oil into the jug. Be careful not to overflow the jug, as there will be more oil in the Rethink oil box than there is room in the jug. Close the valve when it is almost full and repeat on the next box jug. Carefully transfer over the Rethink oil box from one jug to the other. Your used cooking oil will be used to make biodiesel to power commercial trucks, which is a much better alternative to using oil from the ground.